Friends! Continuous text. The town has a big problem. People don't know what this town is about. We need a notice board with a title and a story on it. See? Empty. So today, we're going to write BuilderBot's very first story using HTML. Watch, I'll just type out my whole story right now. Welcome to Bot Town. Bot Town is a magical here loves coding. We build things every day. It was amazing. It's all squished together. It looks like one giant mess. Hard to read, right? You are correct. It is hard to read. Exactly. When we write a story needs its own space. That's exactly what the P tag. Think about your favorite storybook. Does it have one giant wall of words? No! It has paragraphs, little groups of sentences, each talking about one idea. There's a gap between paragraphs so your eyes can breathe. The P tag does exactly that on a web page. Every time you use a P tag, you're saying, this idea gets its own seat. Okay, let's fix our story. I'll split it into three paragraphs. First idea, opening tag, my first idea, closing tag. Closing tag. Sandwich! One more idea to go, paragraph 3. Now let's run it and see. Look at that, the same words, but now each idea has its own space. The P tag gave every idea its own seat. Let's count the sandwiches together. Every opening P tag and closing P tag pair is one sandwich. 1, 2, 3 sandwiches, 3 paragraphs, 3 ideas, each with their own space. Perfect! Perfect! Your turn. I want you to write a story about your favorite day. It could be your birthday, a holiday, a day at the park, anything you love. Here is the plan. Your story template is ready. Replace the dots with your own words. 1 title, 3 ideas, 3 sandwiches. Take your time. Your story is special. Done? Read your story out loud. Does each paragraph talk about one idea? Great job! The town notice board is done! And friends, you just learned something really powerful today. The P tag means paragraph. One idea gets its own space. You can use as many P tags as you need, one for each idea. Without P tags, everything squishes into one big mess. And a heading plus paragraphs together, make a real, proper web page. Next time, Bot wants to hang a picture on the town wall, but he'll find a very strange tag, one that doesn't need closing bread at all. Go ahead and keep coding! See you then, friends.